the more successful a business owner is, the more successful Alberta will become. Welcome back to Tommensense, everyone. So in today's video, it's going to be very specific. I'm an insurance and investment broker here based in Alberta. In today's video, what I want to talk about is the high net worth individuals, the professionals that I have the ability to work with. And so it's going to be very specific to them. There's a lot of good information in this video. So I just want to do like a 10,000 foot view of exactly what I can provide and the sort of information that can help them with their businesses and their practices. So the things that I want to talk about are how I can help them protect their wealth, optimize their taxes, and build lasting legacies. Things that are very important to a lot of business owners. So the first question I have, and it all begins with questions. Is your current insurance held personally or through your corporation? If you are one of these physician, business owner, senior executive, and incorporated professional, have you considered how your corporation could fund a tax-free legacy or liquidity situation? Would you like to explore strategies that grow your wealth tax-deferred inside your corp? These are some of the questions that these professionals need answers to. And also, would you be interested in a retirement income stream that doesn't increase your taxable income? How would you like to supplement your RRSP and TFSA with something more tax advantaged? So there's 3 talking points that I really have, and these are the main things that we talk about when I talk about investments and insurance when it comes to these individuals. And that is tax efficient planning is the first one, because it's not about the money you make, it's how much you get to keep. That is something to keep a note of. It's not how much money you make, but it's how much you get to keep. So one of the biggest conversations I have is around tax efficiency. In Alberta, corporate tax rates are lower than personal tax rates, which opens a door for corporately owned life insurance. This allows you to use after-tax corporate dollars rather than personal income to fund a policy that can grow tax-deferred and may pay out tax-free through your capital dividends account. So policyholders can borrow against the cash value of permanent life insurance for tax-free retirement income. That is something that can be done for individuals as well. The second thing I want to talk about is legacy and estate planning. Let's talk legacy. When someone passes away, their estate could face a massive tax bill from RSPs, rental properties, or business shares. A properly structured permanent life insurance policy can provide liquidity exactly when it's needed and keeps your estate intact for your heirs. Business protection. If you're a shareholder, we talk about buy-sell agreements. What happens to your business if you or your partner passes away? We can use life insurance to fund the buyout, avoiding financial strain and ensuring smooth succession. Some of the primary focuses that I talk about when I sit with individuals like this, these professionals, is tax-efficient wealth transfer, corporate-owned life insurance, income splitting opportunities, creditor protection, post-retirement liquidity and estate planning, and tax-free retirement supplementation. For a lot of people, this has nothing to do with them, but I know that here, living in Alberta, there's a lot of sole proprietors, there's a lot of small business owners. And those small business owners and those sole proprietors are the driving force for the economy in Alberta and Canada, because those business owners are what is really driving the ability to, first of all, more people to be employed. You need a small business owner that's successful. And for that business owner to be successful, they need help in structuring their business so that their pride and joy, which is their business, can be passed on to future generations. The link to my website is down below. Also, I am on Instagram, I am on X. Those links are also below. And if you just want to share this video with something that intrigued you and you want more information please let me know. I can make a video specifically geared towards one of these subjects, but this is, again, a very important subject for my business. I love talking about finances. I love talking about how to structure these programs and these strategies so these business owners can be more successful. The more successful a business owner is, the more successful Alberta will become, because it needs small business owners that are doing the right thing and growing the economy, but they need to benefit. They need to know how to pass it on. They need to know how not to worry about the stuff that is, well, the government likes to take their cut. So I am here to help work with those people, and I already have worked with some that helps them. So even things like disability insurance and how that affects your business and all of these things. So again, if you guys have any questions, comments, please let me know so that we can carry on this conversation. I know it was a short video, but this is something that I want you guys to know that I do for my business. And yeah, thanks for watching, and we'll see you guys in the next one. And always remember, Tommensense, because common sense isn't so common.